Hi, my name is Dr. Splichal, functional podiatrist and human movement specialist. Today I want to speak to you about children, flat feet, and how to bring support into their shoes. Now, most children's shoes are not designed with the room or structure to support external arch supports or rigid custom orthotics. In that case, you want to be looking for options that still maintain that optimal natural footwear function, but brings in that perfect amount of arch support for that child that may be starting to present with collapsing arches or flat feet. Now, in general, when I look at shoes for children, I recommend those that are going to be more flexible, lacking structure, and with minimal cushion. This is going to support maximal sensory stimulation, freedom of movement, which supports neuro and motor development. However, the downside, again, is that shoes like this not going to support anything that is rigid structured like an orthotic or arch support. So what I recommend for my patients in that case is a Shoe Bubble, which is a reusable foot pad by a company called Sole Insole. This Shoe Bubble for children can be placed inside the shoe, and I'm going to place it right along where that medial arch would sit. It is a reusable and washable foot pad. So I'm going to place it down, and I'm going to find that perfect place that is comfortable for the child. They can use it in the shoes. You can take it out. You can move it to all their different shoes. Again, great thing is it's reusable and washable. Padding like this is going to bring that perfect amount of arch support for that pediatric patient, especially if you're starting to notice those arches are collapsing and you're getting a little bit concerned. To learn more about the Shoe Bubble and all of the foot pads by Sole Insole, please go to soleinsole.com. That is SUL insole.com. To learn more about how I approach the pediatric flat foot, please go to dremilysplichal.com.